Are you searching for best baby food maker? So here is the best video for you. First, GROWNSY baby food processor with grinding and sterilizing. The GROWNSY baby food processor is a smart all-in-one solution for busy parents who want fresh, homemade baby meals. It can steam and blend fruits, vegetables, and meats while also sterilizing bottles and accessories, saving both time and counter space. The grinding function ensures smooth purees for younger babies, while its simple controls make daily use effortless. With a price range of around $90 to $150, GROWNSY is ideal for parents looking for convenience, safety, and reliable performance in one compact machine. Second, NutriBullet Baby 18-piece food prep system. The NutriBullet Baby 18-piece food prep system is perfect for parents who prefer flexibility and batch preparation. This compact blender easily purees fresh ingredients, while the included storage cups, lids, and freezer trays help you prepare and store meals in advance. Its powerful motor delivers smooth textures, making it suitable for different baby stages. Priced between $70 and $110, this system is a great choice for parents who want a trusted brand with easy meal prep and organized storage. Third, 4-in-1 baby food processor steamer and blender. This 4-in-1 baby food processor combines steaming, cooking, blending, and reheating in a single unit. It helps preserve nutrients while ensuring food is soft and easy to digest for babies. The one-touch operation makes it beginner-friendly, while its multifunction design reduces the need for multiple kitchen appliances. With an approximate price of $80 to $130, it offers excellent value for parents seeking a versatile and space-saving baby food solution. 4. Baby food maker processor, blender, grinder, steamer. This all-in-one baby food maker is designed for parents who want complete control